Our group chose to do the weight loss challenge. You'll see as we start, everyone inputs their weight and deposits $20 into the money kitty. So we use data validation here, so if any number besides 20 is input, you'll see that you get this flag saying it must be 20. So we'll change that back, and you'll see how that changes the money sum over here, because we use the sum function to determine the total running money as the weeks go on. Each week, as their new weight is inputted, we use a function to determine how their weight has changed from the last week, and we'll get the percentage. So we'll see that if this is changed to 123, you'll see how those percentages have changed. Each week, there's the max weight loss. We'll use the max function in these columns to determine who had the max weight loss, and it'll input their name in this column. So we use an if statement, and we reference these cells, which have actually been changed and renamed to our names, so we can reference them here in these. So each week, if you're the winner of that week, you don't input any money into the money kitty. If you lost, you input $5. So you'll see we used an if statement with max embedded to determine if it was the max, it'll be a 0. If it wasn't, it'll be a 5. And then that is added into this money kitty. Every 4 weeks, there is an interest rate of 0.05, which is referenced as an absolute reference from this box here, and then added to our money sum. So you can see by the end, we have this total. If this number were to be changed, you'll see how our totals have changed. We use conditional formatting in these highlighted cells, so anything less than or equal to 0% is highlighted in red to show that there is a weight gain that week. Then at the end, to determine the overall percentage of weight loss, we use a function from their starting weight to their ending weight to determine this percentage, and then an if statement referencing the max of these cells will give us either Paola, Olivia, or Kelsey. So as you can see, Kelsey has the highest percentage, so her name is here. Then for most weight lost in a single week, we use the VLOOKUP function using the max embedded in it for this column. So it'll search for the max in here, and it'll give us the output of the name associated with that. So here we'll see Olivia is the one who had the most weight loss in a single week throughout the whole entire challenge. Then we have a chart on the weight loss, tracking the percentages each week for each individual, just so we can kind of track their progress as they go along. So I hope you enjoy.